people are Jamaican people.
Yes, yes.
Love on yourself. Yeah. My roots, deep roots, I say. My roots, deep roots, I say. In a this one, all on prayer. In a this one. Oh, my Jamaican roots that make me strong, I say. It's the teachings of the Rasta man out there. My Jamaican roots that make me strong, I say. Thank you, Grandma, for where you stand here. Great life you live, great life you give here. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, right, so what you know, you make me strong, I say. Their teachings of the plain truth, man. Emperor Selassie, you made me strong, yeah. Marcus Garvey, you made me strong, yeah. To fight this Gideon, hold on firm. To fight this Gideon. Oh, my Jamaican roots and make me strong, I say. Their teachings of the plain truth one. Roots and culture, you'd never forget it. Their teachings of my Africanness. Youths of Jamaica, know your roots. Youths of Jamaica. Oh, my Jamaican roots that make me strong, I say. Deep roots and culture I could never forget, no. Even though I'm in a foreign land, yeah. Deep roots that could never forget it. In a this one, all I'm first.